Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and the look of diamonds is so classic. And these diamond channel certified diamond earrings are just so beautiful. They were an anniversary gift, and I was so surprised and excited about how sparkly and brilliant they looked. They are incredibly comfortable to wear. The total carat weight is a half carat, so that means they're a quarter carat in each ear, and they're the perfect size for me to wear every day. I literally never take them out unless I'm cleaning them. And because they screw on, they're very secure, so I don't have to worry about them falling off. And that's why I feel like I can wear them every day constantly. So for the timeless look of diamond stud earrings, these diamond channel certified diamond earrings are just stunning. And that's my point of view.